soul was and is in his hands. So I know where is I would like to see Amit. Where is he? Let us give him a big hand. Let us look at him. He's right behind there. And give him a big hand because I should really say he has taken the full initiative, 100% initiative from his part. And I kept on discouraging him and I said, I don't think so it's going to be possible. I will not be free to help you. He said, nothing doing, sister, whatever it is, I'll make sure that as many as possible I will get here for the alumni gathering. Leave it to me, you don't worry, you just come and sit here. So that's exactly what I'm doing, and he has proved himself. So I think so really, and he has not got any help I think so much from the alumni because I understand all of you are out of town, but he has got a lot of support from the cabinet as well as the 12th standard. And all my little support that we as management could give him, but he has done it very well. So hats off to you once again, Amit. Thanks a lot. And I'm happy to see a good positive response from all of you in spite of the many inconveniences that you are facing at present, also with the heat of the sun. But I'm happy that all of you are taking it in a very positive way. The more positively you take things, the more lighter it becomes and you are able to cooperate and make your own lives happy. Nice to see all your smiling faces. And each time an alumni ends, because the third gathering that we are having, and each time we depart from here, I always wish, yes, see you next year, see you next year. And I think so all of you know by now that every year it's Deepavali season that we are trying to meet. So all of you, I think, are already planning it beforehand that you know that you're going to have a gathering here. And as Preeti said, even in big cities, they are not having this gathering. And in a small town like this, it's nice to have a gathering, to meet your own friends, to keep in touch with them, to share your experiences with them. So the human touch, the human contact is very much important, it's necessary for our own growth as well as for the growth of the others. So once again, I wish all of you all success in all your accomplishments, in your future assignments, all those who are in their studies as well as all those who are in job. Wish you all the best. Take things positively and all things will come your way. Sure, there are thorns amidst the roses. And without Good Friday, there is no Easter. If winter comes, come on my 10th standard students, if winter comes, complete. Venkash, you are one of my best right-hand students. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? Now, abhi yaad aaya na? Isn't it? Sayam, he remembers now. Okay, yes. So if winter comes, can spring be far behind? That's a hope that we get through these lines. Not my quote, it's the quote of the poet. So wish you all the best once again. Nice to see all of you here. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. And my wishes with all of you and see you next year once again if I am here. Okay, so all the best. Thank you.